Everyone's situation is different and everybody's expectations on spending in retirement is going to be different. So, based off the amount that you choose to spend, the investment option that you choose, and other variables like your assets outside of super and your eligibility for age pension, this could be very different from one person to the next. Now, this doesn't mean we can't help you plan for how long your funds might last in retirement. We can help you with our retirement health check, where we'll provide you a projection tailored for your specific needs, which will show you, based off how you're moving towards retirement, what type of balance you might have, and then how long you can afford to fund your retirement. Remember, as a CareSuper member, you don't have to do it alone. We're here to help, so reach out and we'll make sure you have the information to make informed decisions about your future.